We're discovering new antibiotics from microbes in the soil right here on campus. We send students out, they bring in a soil sample, we cultivate the microbes from that soil sample, and then we test those against other microbes to see if they can kill other microbes.
It's a major benefit for society because we really need new antibiotics. Between all of our classes and research labs, we have up to 500 students every year helping us find new antibiotics.
This work that we're doing and trying to manipulate and create environments that would allow antibiotics to grow, it creates a really cool project to look at because we now are having the chance to have involvement in the process of finding new ways to treat these infections that are resistant to antibiotics.
Eastern students are absolutely the best in the lab. I love their dedication and their enthusiasm. A lot of them haven't been in a lab before. They may have come from a high school where they didn't get to do lab work. We initially meet them in a class called the Tiny Earth class, where we bring in these soil samples and begin working with them. And then during that class, if they get really excited, then they can come here and they can work in our lab and carry on. And I love to see that spark in their eyes grow as they learn what science is really all about and get excited about research.
What makes this project exciting for me is just every day I get to work with amazing students. When I come into lab, I can see their progress and see them learn and see them grow and see them start to make connections between what they're learning, the scientific literature, and where they need to go with their project. And so seeing that excitement on students just sort of makes me want to come to work every day.
The goals that we're seeking are both to increase our students' ability to do science, that technical skill, and to communicate science, to talk to people about the science, and also to be a part of the scientific community. This is research that matters to people outside of the classroom.
We are actually just about ready to publish our most recent findings. And as part of that publication, there's going to be 9 undergraduate students that will leave Eastern having published here at Eastern. And so that's humongous for their careers, whether they want to stay in science, whether they want to go to graduate schools. Having published as an undergrad is like, it just takes you miles beyond wherever you want to go because you've already published something. All Eastern students that I've worked with so far have the quality in that they want to better themselves, right? They want to learn. To see them like spark up, think that, hey, I'm doing real science. I can do this. Seeing that change in their mentality, the way we're structuring our courses really makes them think that, hey, I can do this. It's approachable, it's doable, right? And I can come and I can do it at Eastern.
Additional funding is really appreciated because a lot of times in science, you have to kick off an idea and you need a little bit of starter funds to get that idea going.
It's really appreciated because we were starting with nothing, and now we have a very vibrant antibiotic discovery research group here at Eastern.